Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by powering the Nadamoo scanner and linking it to your host. Plug the USB or charge fully. Low battery causes errors. Open the Nadamoo app or install the driver on Windows or Android. Drivers let the host interpret signals. Once done, enable Bluetooth or connect the USB cable, then watch for the scanner in your device list. Make sure to accept pairing prompts and grant permissions. Now the scanner is visible and ready for the initial configuration that follows. Next, you configure scanning modes and output behavior. Choose 1D for linear barcodes or 2D for QR and matrix codes. This ensures accurate decoding. Then set the suffix, enter, or tab so scan data goes into the right field automatically. In the app pick trigger mode, manual for single scans, continuous for high volume, presentation for hands-free operation. Once configured, test a few barcodes to confirm the format and suffix land correctly in your target app, or finish by validating performance and applying a quick maintenance routine. Scan representative items to check read rates. Adjust distance and angle for optimal decode. Bright, diffuse light helps. If decoding fails or performance lags, update the firmware through the Nadamoo app. Firmware fixes many bugs. If pairing or config problems persist, reset the scanner to factory settings and repair. One troubleshooting tip: if a barcode won't read, try increasing illumination and cleaning the lens. Dust and glare cause most failures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.